guys, this is Doris from Rolex Lashes. Welcome to my channel. And in today's video, I will show you guys how to start the lash business for these girls who are new to the lash business. Yes, I don't know whether you already have a cosmetic business and want to add the lashes to your current business, or you just started. This is your first time, yes, the first business. Okay, today I want to talk about some main steps before creating a lash brand. Okay, anyway, the first step is to create a lash brand name. I don't recommend following the trend to create a brand name because the trend will be die one day in the future and there will always be new trends appearing. So I don't recommend creating names like hot girl lashes or other names like this, yes, because this is only a trend now. Yes, no one can guarantee that the names will still popular in the future. So in the future you may need to rename your brand, but this is not conducive to making a long-term brand. Yes, and now let me show you some examples of my customers. I have a customer's name called Rolex. Yes, Vol means want in French and Lux is the short of luxury. This name can be used as long-term name because it's not too trendy. Or like my customer Tatiana, her brand name is Serene. Yes, this is a new word to me, so I'm very curious. So I asked the meaning of this word. She told me the name means peace and calm. Yes, or like my other customer Eric, she named her brand with her favorite cartoon girls. Yes, this is brave Mexican girl. It's also very meaningful. So having a brand name will make your business more professional. Well, the second thing is to create a logo. Yes, because this is very important for custom boxes. Yes, so you need to print the logo on the custom boxes to promote your brand. And if you have only one brand name or yes, no logo, it doesn't matter. You can choose us to be your supplier. We provide 90-level service. We have professional designer team and we can design a logo for you for free. Yes, according to your requirements. There is no charge for designing, and make your logo unique and stand out until you are satisfied. Okay, now I will show you some custom boxes we made for other customers. Okay, the first one, the pink one, I like pink color best. Yes, I think this color is very pretty. Yes, look this box, very special and very pretty. Your brand name or logo here, and your other social media information can print it on the back of the box, so your customers will contact you through these ways. And also this one, this marble box, this is a drawer box with glitter box inside, very shiny under the sunshine, under the sunlight or other light. Yes, and on the back, this is a marble, yes, marble box, very gorgeous, very pretty, yes. And also this one, a black one. Black color matches perfectly to the red color. Many our customers do these two color to, yes, to incorporate together. This one, also very pretty. Okay, the next, find a theme for your brand. It's important to find a theme, such as what theme of this box is the flower. Yes, the flower box. Yes, and also you may want your box looks very glittery, so you can choose this kind of glitter holographic material. And also such as this one, the money box. Yes, the money theme. Yes, the money box. And also you can put a phone. Yes, to make your box look like a phone. Yes, it's very also unique and special. So whether the simple style or the complex style, this is the part of your brand. So when people say your brand, they know, oh, that's you. Yeah, that's you. So some of our customers used their own picture or cartoon image as logos. Will also leave a deep impression on people. Okay, next, what kind of lashes do you want to sell? You want to sell silk eyelashes, mink lashes, 3D, 5D, or 67D eyelashes. So you have to decide which eyelashes do you want to sell. Okay, let me show you some of our eyelashes. Okay, now I will show you our 25 mm mink lashes. Yes. You can say they are very soft. Yes. The band of the lash is very soft and lightweight, even feel nothing on the eyes when putting on eyes. And also, they are very high quality and cruelty-free, handmade, and can be used more than 35 times. So it's really great deal. That means you have spent only only the money for one pair, but for 35 pairs lashes one time. Okay, now you can say it comes to the original shape, right? Yeah, so they are very strong and can accompany you for a long time. So if you are interested in our products and want to start your own lash line, please contact us and please feel free to ask 5 million questions. Okay, next you should have the packaging boxes. If you want to, if you want to just start the lash business and want to save the cost for the very beginning, we will provide free packaging boxes for you. Yes, we have so many colors. This is just a part. Yes, this rectangular box. Yes, we provide this free packaging boxes. And also we can customize the box printed with your logo. So if you already have a logo, you can send it to us. We can make the logo into the transparent file and put your logo on the box to come to life. Okay, if you just think out the brand name, don't worry, our professional design team will free help you to design a logo and according to your requirements. Yes. And if customize the box, all factory will stimulate the MOQ. Yes, they are going to require you to buy at least such as 50 to 100 pieces. And at present, it can be seen on the market. The minimum order quantity for custom boxes is at least 50 pieces. Yes, but we are different. Yes, because we have our own packaging boxes. Factory and support these new starters, we can make the MOQ 30 or even 20, yes, according to your budget. So you can buy these small quantities at the beginning to test the market, to test the water, and as your business grows, then increase the number of purchase. Okay, all final products depends what you want and what your supplier has. Because we have own design team and packaging boxes factory, so you can choose the box from our catalogs. We have over 200 box styles and there will be one you like. Yes, of course. We can also specially customize any box you want. So if you say your favorite box on Pinterest or any other platforms, you can take a screenshot and send it to us. Such as, let me show you maybe this one. Yes, this one I carried just now. If you want your boxes to be with this special ribbon, yes, we can specially customize for you. And also this box is very special, you can say, with a magnetic here. Yes, the open way is in this way. Yes, very special. Yes, we can customize any color of the box outside and the box inside as your requirements. Yes, any color and any style. And okay, such as this one. This one, yes. So if you want your boxes with a long ribbon, we can also put this on it. Yes. Looks very pretty. We can print any words or sentence inside the box here, here, or outside the box here, here. Also on the set here, yes. And also if you like your box to be with a handle, yes, you can say very luxury, very gorgeous, yes. And also we can put handle on your box, like this one, very pretty. The white box with handle here. Yes, I'm sure that we can satisfy any of your requirements and needs towards your custom boxes, any style, any color, and any size. Yes, we can do it for you. Okay, for these girls who are new to the lash business, I suggest you can make different styles because the taste is differs from people to people. So for different styles, I suggest you can make 25 mm mink lashes and 16 mm mink lashes. There are two most popular catalogs for now in the market. And for these two catalogs, I suggest you can choose this catalog first because 16 mm mink lashes are very practical in our everyday life. So whether you are a student or you need to go to work, you can wear them every day. They are of the probable length, so can be worn in our everyday life. Yes, very perfect. Okay, second, I also recommended to buy samples first. So if you are not sure about the quality of the new supplier, yes, please do it. Yes, get samples from your vendors. Even the pictures look so good, like yes, these lashes look so nice and I would like to wear them, but please get samples of these lashes, although they look super cute on the pictures. Yes. You can make 10 different styles of eyelashes one time. Even if you only want to focus on 3 styles finally, maybe. But don't just buy 3 styles as samples at the very beginning because you are not sure that you will like all these 3 styles, right? Okay, now let me show you some of our top sellers. Okay, the 16 mm lashes first. Okay, the first one I will show you is DC09. Yes, this style. This style is bought most by our customers. You can say it's very natural. Yeah, so very perfect for our everyday life for student or the workers. Yes. Okay, next one. DC16. Yes. Yes, this one is also very popular. Yes, very natural. Then putting on the eyes. So whether you are big eyes or small eyes, these eyelashes will perfect to the shape of your eyes. DC41. This one, this style. This one looks very special and very lightweight. You will feel nothing on the eyes. Okay, the next one, DC65. Yes. This one. You can say can you see clear? I like this one best. Okay, the next catalog of 25 mm mink lashes. Okay, first one, DY002. Yes, this one. These are of long length. Yes, very dramatic, very fluffy, and make your eyes charming, attractive. The next, DY003. This one. Many of our customers told us their customers very like this. They say, DY003. Yes, this style is quite popular. And the next one, DY005. This one. Okay, the next one, DY020. This one. This one, can you see clear? So if you like fluffy and dramatic styles of long length lashes, you can choose 25mm. Okay, my friends, that's all for my today's video. Hope my video will be helpful for you guys. And also I will update some other videos about such as how to promote your brand and how to keep customers. So if you're interested in our products, you can contact us through WhatsApp or the Instagram, yes. And our WhatsApp number is in the description. And also, if you have any other question, you can also leave a comment below, and I will answer your questions one by one. And enjoy your lash business. See you again. Bye.